Fifth use case is debugging on Copilot. Explain the error message. Copilot can interrupt the technical error message and provide the simplified explanation for the error. Suggest the possible fixes. It will not only the explain the error message. It will also help for the fixing the error also. Identify the logic issue. A Copilot can review the code and detect the possible logical mistake, and they may cause us the incorrect behavior, and it will help for the developer to understand the what error is facing and all the logic things we can predict from the Copilot. Help to understand the stack tracks. Large track tracks for the difficult to analyze. Copilot can help to developer to understand the error flow also. Recommends the debugging approach. Copilot can suggest a debugging steps, breakpoint location, and all the things. We can use the debugging with Copilot. It will go to the debugging mode. We can analyze all the codes, variables, and all the error message through the debugging.
And go to the next use cases is like debugging. GitHub Copilot also it's work works inside the debugger also. Let's take one of the scenario. Okay, I will go to one of the purge table. I have added some codes for purge table quantity modification. Whenever modifying the quantity, how to update the quantity updation, like reason why quantity we are reducing, that you have to store it in one of the table called log table. In that time I'm getting one of the error. Let's do through the debugger, let's find that how why it is getting error and how to solve through the GitHub Copilot. If you see, I have the one of the method. I will taking the extension. I will adding the all the table like methods and updating the log table. I will just putting the debugger point here. I will load the symbols attached. And also, if you see, there is a GitHub Copilot consumption. I'm using pre-plan. So if you see what like how much chat I use, this is like there is a some subscription also is there. You can want you can use that one. Now I'm using the pre-plan. Per month there is a like 50 chat is available. You can use 50 chat. This is code completion means like code suggestion. How much code suggestion you have used, that is updating here. This is one of the like property. We can see how much like you use the Copilot. Okay, I will go to one of the purchase order. Here I'm just modifying the quantity 3 and I will save that record. If you see here, there mentioned the first line buffer. Let's through the Copilot we can analyze what is this value. Here there is a Copilot symbol. You just click Copilot symbol. It will go to the debugger mode and it will analyze what is first line buffer. What's the values are storing here. If you see like how what is the rec id, what is the item id, line amount, whatever, so the like value is storing, it will displaying and it is giving like why the value is showing also. Let's go to other. We'll just enter like reason. Here there is one more variable like log. We'll go here and we'll analyze with Copilot. Yeah, it is storing like what is this table, what the values are storing. This is giving like a variable uh, explanation. What is this variable? What the values is storing? Where it is calling? That's all the information it's giving. Yeah, here I'm getting one of the error. I will go to the analyze with Copilot. It will analyze the error and it will give the suggestion also. It, it will taking that error message and it will giving the explanation why I'm getting that error. Here like all the explanation is giving like variable is found for the record this table, and if you see the process suggestion, you check select with the for update clause before calling log.update. I will give like give I will just give the fix the error. It will giving the code like if you see in select statement this adding the power update. If you I'm not added the power update, I'm just directly selecting the log table and just updating. For this reason I'm getting that error. So it is like explanation also is giving. We can use that one code for the implementation. Like that we can analyze the all the things, all the variables or all the like error message. Yeah, this is a like helpful for the while debugging the copilot with debugging with Copilot. Thank you for joining.
Hi guys. So actually we are done. Let me just uh, have some QA sessions. I'll just give you the control for that. I think now you will be able to unmute yourself. Just check if you have any questions, like we can discuss on this. So if you don't have anything, we can close this up. So we will just continue. We will be just giving this kind of sessions continuously. So till now, like we have seen about like the only the Copilot, GitHub Copilot. So we can also use the agents and the next thing. So right now you could see that like we have done the things in Copilot, GitHub Copilot, and we were able to copy the kind of an XML files and then do the process. But when we try to use the kind of an agents or something, right, it will start applying thing and then it will be trying to give you the desired output automatically. So that we will be doing it in coming in the future sessions. So this is the kind of start with actually. Yeah. So basically, like to end with this, like it is not a threat to any kind of humans or users' jobs or something like that. We can use this GitHub Copilot for kind of like making the process speeder, and then instead of going ahead and doing a repetitive work, we can go think about something solutioning and innovating things something differently, so that these things everything will take care by the Copilot and other things. Yeah, that's it about this. Anyone has any questions? Okay, guys, then if we don't have anything, just we'll end it up. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining.
Thanks, guys.